going live now.
I'm live as well. Hello. Hi.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
1 minute late. Yeah, sure, whatever. Actually, 2 minutes late. Send out a stream notification.
So,
it's so nice to not have to stream by myself.
Hell. Is this? Do I have everything I need to open? I think so. Oh, I need to turn on the stream together. It's been like 4 days. I forgot how this shit works.
You mean the shared chat?
Yeah.
Together.
Yeah.
Twin.
Anyways, so I wanted to show you some of the things that I did.
Okay.
While I was dying on Sunday.
Love the new area.
So let me turn off the fucking debug shapes. I just want some shit. Some shit. So the first thing is probably the most massive change of them all, which is a change to how sticker opening works. So first of all, I made it so that whenever you start the game open, when you're in debug mode, it just gives you 100 sticker packs, so you don't have to...
That's not very fair.
Huh?
It's not very fair.
Well, yeah.
Can you add a toggle for debug mode?
Probably.
Like in the menu? Because if I want to like record gameplay or something and I go to play and it's like, oh, there's like debug states over all the enemies.
Oh, yeah. I can do that.
And I don't want that.
Yeah, so the first thing is whenever I open this up, you'll see, so this will open, and then there's a new layout for the UI. It's a little work in progress, and we kind of want to change things probably a little bit, but whenever I hover over them, it will show the description of them.
Yeah, that looks good.
One thing that you may not have seen, maybe you did, so do you know what the 2 planet cards here do?
Yes.
What are they?
Less cost and more charges.
Okay, sick. So if I hover over this one, you'll see over here on this little cost thing that updates in real time.
Oh, I do not like that flash.
You don't like the flash?
No, it should not be green.
Oh, probably not green, yeah, but I don't know what the fuck it should be. I needed it to be something. It couldn't be white because...
Yeah.
I don't know what the color should be, but we can change that.
Yeah. But yeah, that's interesting.
What?
Yeah, I'm just looking at it.
You said enter. There's a couple things that I'm sure you'll notice, which is that the negative sticker is smaller, like pixel-wise, than these stickers. I don't know what we want to do to address that, because...
I think that's fine. I mean,
it looks a little weird, especially with this one, how it's got a really small texture compared to, like, the difference between these two is, like, very large.
Yeah, but I think it's okay.
Okay.
Because I wouldn't want to have, like, a really big one and a really tiny one, like, on the same thing. That would look weirder, I think. The only thing that I'm looking at this and that's very obvious is they don't look like you click on them. They kind of just look like random objects floating.
Yeah.
So maybe making them a little bit more button-like.
Sure.
But I do like the little, like, pop-up animation that they do.
Yeah, we can do that. I wanted to change it because before it was like the boxes and shit, and I kind of hated that with, like, I wanted to have the card display so that you could see, like, changing them.
Yeah.
So yeah, I added that in. I can also change the color. I'm fairly certain I can change it right now. If I go to card composite, which is this thing. Give me a color. What color do you think it should be? What color are you feeling?
I mean, you could just even have it flash like a gray. Like, go from, like, gray to whatever. I'm trying to think. You could just have it flash, like, white to gray. I don't know.
Update. There we go. Ew. Definitely not that gray. But yeah,
well,
white.
You know how,
yeah.
What if you just made it white?
Yeah, I could.
Well, what if you just made that color white?
I could just make this white and then have it like.
Because then it would flash.
Yeah. Could probably start with this. So it starts from full capacitor, lowered capacitor. No, hold on. Am I doing this? Label self-modulate. Label dot self-modulate is equal to that it should start grayed out and then tween up.
You need to swap the order of the tweens. That's what.
Yeah. Well, it was multiple things, but yeah.
Yeah. Maybe.
Sorry. What do you guys do to
I think that's
actually
better, at
learn
least.
Godot, as in get good at figuring things out to make a game? Just started Godot a few weeks ago, but you're not new to programming. Just kind of make shit. You know, take it one step at a time. Learn specific parts. Don't make things as like a thing to learn. Don't be like, oh, I'm gonna learn how to like I'm gonna follow a tutorial. Like, have an end goal in mind and then take the steps you need to get to that end goal. Start with like a small game and make that. Or like game jams are also really good. At least that's how I learned it. I finally learned Godot because I wanted to do a game jam and I was like, I'm gonna use Godot for this. And then I did that. And it let me swap away from Unity.
That's
like
pretty much what
3
I
or
did
4
too,
years ago.
It's like, I'm gonna just do a random game jam, and I made like the crappiest game where you like push one button to bounce a little guy up and down to jump over obstacles.
Real.
And it ended up getting like 5th place because it had nice looking art.
It's fire.
And that was the only reason.
Okay, so thoughts on this? Prayers?
I think that's better.
Okay.
It can maybe be a little bit more obvious, but we can address that later.
Yeah, I mean, I could make this
one
like...
thing just for you to do that I would appreciate
Mhm.
is, since I'm doing a lot of the sound stuff and you're doing a lot of like the UI stuff, if you could just add ways to like hook into things happening to add sounds.
Mhm.
So just have like a on hover that thing, or like when you click on something, so that way I don't have to try to go in and like search through your code and
Yeah.
smash things in there very poorly.
Yeah, I can do that.
Because that's what I've been doing, which it works, but it just slows it down a little bit.
Yeah.
And I imagine that's not a whole lot of work for you. It's just like expose something.
I also did... Oh,
Even just like providing like exports for like
Sounds and stuff,
sound to
yeah.
play somewhere, and then just like putting it in there, and then I can adjust it from there.
I also did... I'm gonna mute my music really quickly and turn up the audio if you want to listen.
I'll listen to it.
Not that it's gonna be like amazing, not that this is the end, but I changed it so that the way that it opens is like delayed, and then if it's like the rare one, it'll play like a rare sound. I think we probably want to have particles or something on this, but I just made it so it would like delay them, and then you can see there, because it was the rare one, it took like longer to appear.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what we want to do with that, but all right, I'm gonna turn my music back on if you want to mute again.
I'll listen to your music.
Yeah. And then I can also... Hello, Benny VV. So that was one of the first changes, was to do the sticker opening thing and the sticker selection. The other thing was something that you've been complaining about forever, which is the laser pointer. It no longer goes through the terrain. It does stop here wrong, but... Or, I don't know if that's wrong. I don't know if
Yeah, that's wrong. That's very much wrong.
What did it do before?
You should see the particles. The particles are flipped, I think. I think the particles are backwards. Yeah, the particles are backwards. They should be on the other side. I don't know how you did that.
I didn't change that as the thing. Why did the sound
That's really funny.
sound kept playing after I stopped? That was
I'm
weird.
pretty sure it's because the particles are based on like whatever the impact is. Maybe you changed something with that. But either way, the particles are back.
Particles are there. They're just behind the wall. Yeah, that's true.
Hello, Cosmic Sandwich Cat.
Let me see. Yeah, because I just did... The only thing that I changed was this.
Then something was messed up. I don't know what you did.
Or did I? Or is this... Hold on, actually. What is this? I don't know what the fuck this thing is. No, definitely not. Yeah, I don't fucking know. Whatever. I'll just... Is it working on your side right now, if you were to go in and use the laser? Also, let me catch
Good
up with the chat
question.
quickly. Learn about nodes and what they can be used for. Start with building small games like tic-tac-toe, pawing, checkers, breakout. Yep, check out 20 Games Challenge, by the way. I won't rehash that
Did you
point.
try not to mention that 20 games?
It's so good.
challenge?
Unbefuddled games make proof of concept features. Correct. because then you can go back and reuse the code, or you're not like bound to it.
Oh. Why is it raining?
I don't know. I didn't change that because I don't have that on my side yet.
Oh yeah, it is broken on my side too.
Yippee.
What did you do?
What did I do? I don't know. I haven't changed that in a while.
I don't think I've changed it either, so just...
Let's check the built version and see if that currently exists.
That'll be really funny.
Godot.
Oh, this was one thing I want to talk to you about, is how we want to handle like level specific effects and things like that, like the rain, and then also there's also the issue of the doors.
Mm-hmm.
With the gradient, because the gradient's the color of like the background fill color, but that's different depending on the tile set. So like how we want to handle like global things like that, how like
so
the effect on the player area, what's the gradient color?
Oh, that is fucked up in the Steam
What's
build
the
currently.
Actually, the background. Oh,
yeah.
The background is that's just based on the scene, so that's...
Yeah, so then I had a couple of questions about that, actually, because we had talked about this before with having like different tiles for different whatevers. Do we want it to be defined on a per level basis, or a per room basis, or both? Or like, how do we want to define it?
The particles would definitely be... actually, it probably should be per room. Or...
Okay.
I'm trying to think. Because there's stuff like the shop where maybe it would have to be slightly different, or like special rooms might be different.
Mm-hmm. Because we could do a thing where it's like, grab this from the level, or if you have an override, use that
Yeah, we
instead.
could have a grab from the level and then have an override in the...
It's a great idea. I'm glad you said that.
Yeah, that's a great idea. In the shop. Yeah, that was a great idea, thank you.
Bro literally said
yeah,
like
here's the-
exactly what I said. I stopped talking, and whenever you got to that point in the sentence, he was like, I don't know where to go now. The voice in my head that was telling me the correct answer stopped saying it.
I know.
That's funny.
Did you saw this, right?
Yeah, I did, yeah. A little bit.
It's also got some race. You wanna
Yeah, sure. Let me, I'll put you on stream, and then I'll also unmute
the
your...
beautiful
stream.
audio. I turned off my music so you can hear it. I'll sometimes just sit here and just open this up and just leave it open because it's so nice.
Whoa. That's sick. It's really very vibey. Oh, I also fixed... Someone was talking about this. The boss was, like, not immune to the laser, but, like, the laser didn't work on the boss particularly well. It does now. It'll also shoot through the boss. Don't worry about that. I haven't actually fixed that. It's a thing I was playing with, because I also wanted to change how we were doing the laser stuff, because it was very shit. Because it was whenever I was trying out some of the hit scan stuff with the pistol or whatever, but I figured out a better way to do it. So if I turn on debug collision shapes, you'll see that we actually have like this line in front, which is very similar to what you had before. However, it's a little hard to see. But if I were to go into the laser pointer ability and set the, let's say the min offset's 10, the max is like 100, and then reload the laser. So it's like a little bit of a cone outward thing. It's hard to show it whenever it's so far away. Let's do that one more time. So you can see that it kind of like expands outward as it goes on. So this is how we're going to detect like whether or not they're actually aiming at something. Since before, like, they don't need to click directly on something with hit scan, especially for controller. It's like hard to tell whether you're going to hit something or not, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
So we can use this to kind of tell whether or not something's in the area, and this can be changed whenever you swap to controller or back. So I have it so that scan handler. I have it so that whenever we switch to controller, we can actually change the scale of this. So here's what it's like on the mouse. And if I change it to controller, you can see it's much wider, which probably isn't what we want it to be, but we can use that to see, like...
So does the laser pointer have, like, aim assist?
Well, yes.
Or is that just, like...
Well, it's going to. I need to finish the implementation of it.
Okay.
Because currently it's just, if it's in that range, it takes damage, but it's not going to be that.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, so the laser pointer right now actually has aim assist, kind of.
Kind of.
Kind of. Let's see. So you can see that if it's in the box, it'll take damage. Which is not what we want. But this is going to be used for, like, aim assist to tell where it should aim. And it'll just find, like, the unit closest to your cursor, or, like, closest to the direction you're aiming. Specifically on controller, that's going to be useful because, you know, if there's an enemy way out here, you know, is this aiming at them? I don't know, but we have, like, the aim assist. And I want to make it not annoying so that you're never, like, or it'll try to minimize the amount of times where you're like, ah, man, I wasn't trying to hit that, but it hit that instead, kind of thing.
Here's what the background looks like without anything on it.
Whoa, it's like a ruined city kind of thing with, like, floating and crumbling buildings and shit.
Wow, I actually drew what you thought it is. Let's go.
Let's go.
And if we fall down,
Bro fell down.
But then I can't get back up. Yeah, some bounce pads.
Oh, there was one more thing that I added that is actually, like, kind of a massive deal. Okay. So let me move this over to my other monitor really quickly. Hello. And let me go into this. And sticker debug. Where's the sticker debug menu? Sticker selection. Give me a sec. Actually, let me just, I'll do this on stream. I don't need to hide this right now.
Yeah, you need to hide it.
You. Are you not called sticker debug? What the fuck are you called? You're called pop-up menu. I'm gonna, like, probably, like, punch myself one day.
I don't know why, but it feels like the upper and lower limits of the parallax is smaller than it was before. Maybe it's not. Maybe I'm just going insane. But I really like how somehow the parallax, like, still works decently well, even if you go, like, above or below it. It kind of just looks like you're just sinking, like, into the ground or, like, into the ceiling.
Yeah.
Like, down here it feels like I'm going, like, underground. That's why I want to, like, expand it so that way if you're, like, down here, you don't see, like, the bottom of the texture.
So we need to have the current word instance. And if I find...
So the few things I was thinking of doing today were maybe working on some more decorative stuff for this area. And then I also wanted to discuss how we want to do the summon cards, because I was thinking of making a couple of those. I don't think it'd be that hard, but I'm not 100% sure, because the main thing is how they interact with enemies, because I realized, do we want the enemies to be able to attack summoned things? Because if so, that would be a bit of an issue, because if we don't have anything that would make that work at all, because currently everything just attacks the player.
Well, that's not... I mean, do we want them to target summon things, do you mean, or do we want them to be able to hit them?
Probably target, yeah.
Because currently...
I guess, yeah.
Currently they can hit, but if we want them to target, that would be a little bit more of a conversation.
Probably wouldn't want them to target, because that...
Unless there's, like, a monkey bomb summon. Oops, sorry. You don't know what a monkey bomb is, do you? Because you've never played COD Zombies.
Yeah, I know what it is. It detracts them and then blows up.
Okay. I didn't think that you would know that because you have never played COD Zombies.
I don't know how I know that.
I don't either.
But I do. Because I've never... I mean, I have played a small amount of COD Zombies, but I definitely have not actually seen that in COD Zombies before. But I can kind of just, like, figure it out with my brain.
That's kind of impressive. I didn't think that you could do that.
I know. I didn't think so either, but, like... Oh, I got trapped.
I got trapped. I got some cool shit to show you in just a second once I get this debug thing working.
Oh, one thing I'll go ahead and do while I'm thinking about it is improve the
Are these
droplet effect that I made
Wait.
before.
JW? Can you name all of the cards that can be applied to this? Or all of the stickers, sorry.
The stickers, you mean?
Yeah.
Damage, size, attack.
Size can be
speed,
applied to...
Negative. Yes, it can.
The knife?
Charges.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. You have the debug?
I do, don't worry. Yeah, hold on. Size. Size can be applied?
I'm pretty sure. I am certain, actually, that it can. I know it can. I don't know if it's in the loot table thing, but...
Oh, I added a bunch instead of just...
Sword, by the way.
Oh, there it is. Yeah, so the sword can, but the knife can't.
The knife totally can.
Okay, so anyways, we'll get back to that in a second. So I added a thing for the debug menu, so this only shows the stickers that can currently apply to the card.
Oh, okay.
So
that's how you figure it out.
yeah, because I went here and I went...
It definitely can. I know
It's
I
not here.
implemented it. I know I implemented
So-
it. If you add it to the things and
Yeah.
try using it, it should
Yeah,
work.
give me a second and then I'll do that. So here's this card. So it has 75 mana cost, 20 damage. Let's say I add... That's not the sticker I asked for. That's... Oops, hold on. Hold on. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, because I'm just grabbing it by index. Oh, shit. Okay, go back to what you were doing.
Good one.
ID can be... What the fuck is an Excel? What are you talking about? Whatever the fuck that is, I don't know.
With a spreadsheet. Sorry.
What did you say? Sorry? Oh, like the spreadsheet? Yeah, funny. Haha, hilarious.
Yeah, it was pretty funny, right?
No, that was
Right.
like so funny, dude. That was so
That was
funny.
really funny. GPU particle 2D.
Are these sticker instances? Do you get returned as... You don't. You are the direct things. That's fine.
What the heck is an X form?
Transform? What are you trying to do?
Oh, okay. Emit particle.
How so?
do
Like
I-
for the are you trying to do
I
that?
just need the position. I'm just trying to set the position.
Transform 2D dot new? Or no, not new. Sorry.
No, you just.
Oh, yeah,
you
yeah,
just,
because it's a
use
built-in
it
thing.
like this.
Yeah, and then you can pass in, I believe it takes in a rotation and a position, so you can do 0, comma, and then whatever the position is.
Let's see. I'll see. 0.
That's a vector 2, buddy.
I knew that. Color? Why does it need a color?
Just do color dot black or like whatever, just do anything.
Oh, does this not matter?
No. Same thing there.
Custom. What is
I'll make a util for it at some point to just do that. And then
flag.
you want... I'll find out really quickly. I'll push up a util function for that in a second.
Yeah.
Emit particle takes in a flag, which is a particle flags or emit flags. You want emit flag position. It's going to be GPU particles 2D dot emit flag position.
Evil.
Yeah. Oh, hold on. Man.
Did you spell root beer?
Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry, Lukaiza. There was a spider intruding in the one spot in the house that I don't want it to be.
Oh, okay. Oh, I forgot.
Someone didn't assign an export variable. Yep.
Thank you, twin.
Yes, sir. Does this work? That is Mars.
Uh-oh.
Yay!
That doesn't work.
And then, yeah, it doesn't work.
Oh, it like.
No. Yeah, I know it doesn't show.
Oh.
I meant, does it work that I can select
I-
the card? Okay, so if you look back again, so I'm gonna do the
No,
thing.
I was talking about my thing.
Oh,
not
okay.
yours.
Okay, I'll help you with
I was
yours in
about
a
to say It doesn't
second.
work, and I figured out why. I know why.
Okay. Oh, because you only had one
It's
particle.
because I had the amount to one.
Yeah.
Probably only need like.
Well, how often is it running? 'Cause it looks like it's doing it
it's
every
running
frame
four
four times.
every frame.
Make it like six.
And
Make it
its
64.
Lifetime is 0.3.
Make it 60.
64.
Make it 64. It's fine.
Fine. So many particles gonna lag.
Okay, can you look at my screen real quick?
Sorry.
Or actually, I'll let you test
Yeah, I'm
your
looking
thing.
at your screen.
Yeah, is your thing, is it working?
Kind of.
Okay. So, for this, if I pick a sticker, so Neptune, so it's at 75 mana cost, so I'll go and use this. It's 60 now. So I'll go here. I'll add another one so you can see I can pick Neptune. Add a second one. That's a very funny shape that I just made on that card, but whatever. And if I press Q to open the debug menu, what the fuck? Where's Neptune? Why is there no Neptune? Do you know why there's no Neptune, JW? Any guesses?
No.
The answer is because Neptune has an expression on it now that says it can only be applied to cards that have at least 60 mana cost.
That's dumb.
Well, it's not going to stay that way, but
I know.
yeah. So I added expressions to cards
I'm
so that
joking.
these can be done. So specifically, like the negative sticker, I just said, make sure that the card has any amount of size in hand that can be applied. So if I were to go here, and then
So you can only apply one.
Yep. So if I go here and go room shop, go here, and add a negative sticker. If I go ahead and try to do that again, you'll see that negative is missing from the list, notably.
Interesting.
And the way that works, oh, cool. That's actually not spawning any. Very cool. I think that's because of a thing I was doing. Don't worry about it. So the way that this works is you can add an expression to any sticker, which is like it's under criteria. It's just like a can this apply, and that will be run against the card instance. So any of the fields or any of the methods on here can be used as like an inline, like should this be applied. So for example, if we wanted the negative sticker, let's say we only wanted this to apply to cards that have size in hand and it has at least 2 free like sticker spots. I actually don't know if I have a method to get. I do. So we can do this and we can say and get open sticker slots is greater than 1. Or like it's at least 2. So I'll go ahead and do this. And go to TP to room. Wrong room.
I guess there's no downside to setting the particle amount to higher than I actually need, right?
Pretty much, yeah.
Only spawning it.
So, oh, I didn't mean to apply this to this one. Oops, ignore that one. So if I go ahead, you can see negative is in the list. If I go ahead and apply this, and then do it again, negative should still be in the list. And if I apply this one, do it again, negative should not be in the list because it doesn't have at least 2 sticker slots open. So if we wanted like a multi-size card or like anything that like reads properties on the card, not that the mana cost one is going to be the way it should be, but yeah.
Oh yeah, one thing I forget. Let me test it real quick.
Okay.
Make sure it's
So
not-
instead of removing it from the display, would it be better to grayscale it and add the exclusion reason as a tooltip? Probably not, because that's just like a debug thing. It's more of like the card will just not be in the pool of, or the sticker won't be in the pool of stickers you can get for the card. And I don't feel like doing that much for a debug tooltip. drop my controller. Okay. Why something isn't appearing in the menu? What's up?
You shouldn't be able to select the skip button, I don't think. With the controller, that feels weird.
Can you? Oh,
Yeah, you can.
I guess so.
See?
Weird. I didn't think that I had that set up that you could.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Also, why does this have exhaust on it?
Because I felt like adding it for. That was whenever I was doing
Okay.
testing. It's not like actually exhaust.
Okay, I was wondering.
What is that menu? That's card selection UI.
Oh, and that the controller selection has sounds too. No, it's just the mouse doesn't.
Is it the sound, or is it like hitting two rocks together, but like really softly?
It's like the hitting two rocks
Okay.
together.
I tried to make the sound, but it didn't pick up on my mic, so I had to very quickly describe it.
No, that's like really accurate actually.
Bring it out, leaves it there, but it's been excluded from the pool. If you're talking about just in the debug menu, probably be worth it. Like to just gray out, but then I'd have to go in and add that.
Why is there a red dot in the middle of the? Oh, it's not there anymore.
It's an attack indicator thing. I was trying to fix some rendering thing.
Okay.
What am I doing in here? Oh yeah, I wanted to remove focus mode on this. This isn't.
Oh, he's got an attack indicator. Look at that.
Yeah, they're a little broken still right now.
It looks cool still though.
It does look cool. They're just a
broken.
little bit
Does look
broken.
cool.
Focus. Turn off focus. Or I guess you can probably have click focus. You can have none
They
focus.
do combine together though, so that's cool.
They do combine together, which is a problem right now.
That's what they're supposed to do.
Well, yeah, but like the gradient is like fucked up because of that.
Yeah, I'm trying to think
Yeah.
how it should like act.
Yeah, there's a couple of things that I want to change about it that'll make it a little bit mayhaps better, but I'm not 100% sure still on it. Because like with enemies like that are going to have the fading out one, what's going to happen whenever those two regions overlap? Because I could just have it so that it looks at all of the, like, if there are two indicators, it like only cares about the closest of the two, or like it'll take like the highest value to show rather than like adding them together. You know what I'm talking about? Do you know what I'm saying?
Not exactly. I'm trying to visualize like what the rules would be for that, and I'm not doing that.
Yeah, so the way that like let's take for example like the card cutout. If there's an enemy inside of like the space where it would cut out from the card, if there's like multiple enemies, it won't like make the card extra transparent in that section. It'll just be like, it'll take like the closest or like the least transparent value of the two, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
So we could do that for the indicator. Is like, I don't know, honestly. I have no fucking clue how we want to do it, but we'll have to see. I'll have to figure it out at some point. Let me also kill this circle. Did you get your GPU particles thing working?
Yeah.
What'd you end up having to do?
What do you mean?
Like, did you change anything else with the...
The only thing I changed is I made it so that the position is like slightly offset because they were spawning like halfway in the floor, so they're just moved up by like a few pixels.
Okay. Is there anything that you would want in a
Makes
util
sense.
method
Like,
other than
yeah,
just a
figure out.
position?
Oh, I mean probably the rotation too,
Rotation.
because like if I want to have particles that rotate based on something.
Mm-hmm. I'm just trying to think about how to do that, because the problem is, it's not entirely a problem, but the particles GPU particles GP is, if we want them to be rotated, we would have to tell it that we want to pass in the rotation. So under here in the emit flags, we also have to include the rotation scale flag. Otherwise, it'll like do whatever the rotation is supposed to be.
I see.
I'll just do this emit particle. I'll just do like 2 methods, whatever. We'll have like a one called emit particle and an emit particle with rotation. Do you want that rotation in angle? Like, how do you want that rotation? Do you want it to be in degrees, radians, vector?
Probably degrees.
Okay.
Because I'm evil.
That's fine. I can just call it like angle degrees. Well, hold on. Let's think about how this is being used, actually.
Radians, so like...
If you're just calling like dot rotation, you would have to call like deg to rad on that. Or rad to deg.
Yeah, just radians fine.
Yeah,
I think my brain doesn't like radians, but they're fine. Like, there's nothing wrong with them.
They're better, actually, but yeah.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
It's just if I'm typing in a number, I just like to be like, okay, I know what 90 degrees is. But yeah, I guess you're passing in anything, which would be the likely.
Yeah, because you're usually just doing things like
Radians
based on what's
versus-
currently
yeah.
in the scene.
Yeah. Okay. Let me look at my to-do list, because I still have a lot of stuff I need to do. And it just... time is passing. So for the summons, I think it does make sense for them to be able to take damage, or at least have an option for them to be able to take damage.
Mhm.
I'm trying to think what else they need. I think that's probably the main thing, is that they would just have health. But like, they don't really need anything connected to the player all that much, because they kind of just will just run off and do their own thing, depending on what like their purpose is.
Mm-hmm.
They probably should have an option for damage, because like I imagine a good bit of them will deal damage.
I think they should work.
I don't know if we would want that to be built in or not.
What's something that emits particles right now under the emit particle? Salmon? Do salmon? No, not salmon. No, this thing does though.
I like don't use emit particle.
This actually uses velocity. Fuck me. Wait. This isn't including the velocity. Is that why the laser particles are not working?
Maybe.
That'd be a little funny. A little bit. Yeah.
Yeah. That's really funny.
Sick.
So now if you shoot it directly at the ground, they don't go too far. So you're doing that.
Oh, oops.
So it's better. A lot better than it was before.
Yeah, the audio also keeps playing for a long time after you stop firing it. Sometimes.
Oh, for a long time. Probably just
It's like it would keep running for like a second or so after I stopped firing.
well, it has a fade out that is like easily long.
It was a lot. Let's see. Like it's still firing, still. Okay, and then it just stopped.
Okay, yeah, that's definitely a bug then.
Let's see. This thing can't really use. You tell that to be you.
Okay. Well, I'll work on stuff that I can do. Or, Yeah, stream on Sunday was kind of boring, but I did get the background done, so it's like something.
Particle. Emit particle. Oh, gee, it's Witch Dagger. True. I love Witch Dagger. Very good song.
What?
It's
okay.
It's a Night in the Woods song.
Okay.
'Cause I love the Night in the Woods soundtrack.
Yeah.
I should really like combine these into a thing at some point. And by some point, I mean like now, whenever it's being made. But like, am I gonna do that? Maybe. Possibly not. I totally should, actually. I should just have like a function. Like, it's particle. Actually, it should be that. So we can create the transform here. We don't need the flag mask because it's just there. We're not calling that. We can instead do that, I think. So these calls get shrunk down a lot. Not that much.
That master liberty.
No shots.
Win.
Cool. I love overloading methods, but like kind of sick. Okay, so then inside of the laser, now I could just do like util.emit particle with velocity and pass in. Here's the position. You don't. I guess it's like marginally easier for you to use, potentially, if this works.
Marginally.
Yeah, just marginally. Margarinely. My favorite spice.
Margarinely. Wait, this is true.
Holy shit, Master Liberty. Hello! Hi!
Bro, we have like 5-minute reaction time.
Why is this? This is now fucked up.
You can break it again.
Yeah. Oh, because this is
Yeah.
particle velocity, not velocity. Oopsies. There we go. Yeah, that's like margarinely. Better to use. Hello, Lukaisa. Speaking of, what's your favorite spice? Just curious. You had to name a favorite spice that starts with marge and ends with garin. What would it be? change anything here? Allegedly, I did.
What if we stopped working on Dante 9 and just played Zomboid?
That would be, I mean, cool, but I don't think you would like it.
No, I wouldn't. There we go. Okay, that looks better.
I can't believe it's not butter. You want to hear something really cool about I can't believe it's not butter? It
It's
actually
butter.
has dairy in it.
But it's not butter.
Except, so it has dairy in it, but if you get the light version, it doesn't. And I found that one out, which is really cool.
What if I just work on my other monitor and just leave the raining area open for everybody to just sit and watch for the entire stream?
Wow. That might be
I
fire.
think they'd like that.
That might be fire, yeah.
It's cozy.
This is true. I'm actually not going to push up these laser changes yet. I need to make them work.
Probably make the rain a little quieter. It's a little loud, but it's nice. I definitely think it runs better now that I changed the particle thing. Because it was like struggling earlier.
Were you were spawning a particle every single time you wanted it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was instantiating a scene with a particle in it and then running it every single time.
Yeah, that's a little bit insane. I won't lie to you.
Yeah.
Like ever so slightly.
Kind of worried that the rain particles might be a little rough because there's so many of them, but I don't know. Guess it just depends on your GPU.
As long as you're not spawning a new particle system every frame for the rain on the front of the screen, you're probably fine. Probably. Hopefully. Probably.
So allegedly the particles actually run pretty well.
Yeah. What do you think about so for the sticker menu, you mentioned like having some way to show that they're more buttony. Do you have any idea for that?
No, not really.
No? Okay. I'm just gonna bulk add all of these changes. Hopefully they'll be fine. You'll find out quickly, I guess. Oh, I also added a bunch of colors to the color util file because there were a lot of them that
Are those the
those are from the
colors?
palette, yes. You might like the name because some of them are like really funny because it's like they were very obviously named by a programmer. Darker blue, dark blue, blue, lighter blue, super light blue. Because there's 6 of
like
each instead of 7,
actually.
but yeah,
6, 7.
bad. But yeah, I just added the blues, the greens, and the browns. They're like an the Apollo palette's a little weird because there's like 2 sections that could be considered like brown, and I don't really know what to call them in terms of name because
brown, there's tan.
There's this and this. But this isn't brown.
Yeah.
It's just orange.
Yeah, I'd say gold and tan. So that's like gold.
So you would call that dark or gold?
Yeah.
I think that's a little weird to call it that.
Yep. Well, I bet it is. That's what it is.
Okay, I mean, we can do that. Then yeah, so the brown and then darker gold. So yeah, these 3 sections were just added because I wanted to. And I'll go through and I'll add some of the other ones as well. But that way we have those as just like names that we can give.
Or what if we just named them like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6?
Oh shit, you're so right. Yeah.
That show up in the palette.
So there's actually a problem with that. You can't do like that. So we would have to do 1, which is so fine. I'm okay with that. We can do this.
Yeah, I think that works.
Yeah, I think that's good.
I think that's good.
Yeah, I think that's the play. Who needs to
Trying to think,
obfuscate
what
code?
other objects would there be in this area? I'm thinking some like fence, not fence. It's like railings, like walls.
Mm-hmm.
Since it's kind of like city-like almost. So you got like the lamps.
Ah, shit. Did I do something bad just now? I don't think so. I think that actually shouldn't matter. Hopefully. Please. this card and sticker menu changes. Sure, dude. Yeah, because these aren't ready to be pushed up. I guess we'll find out if this kills your project. No merge conflicts? Really? Wow. Not a damn one. Kind of cool. Okay, so what needs to be done right now? I need to fix the laser. I don't want to do that on stream. I want to do something more interesting. So you mentioned the thing that you mentioned before was about the backgrounds, right?
What did I mention before?
Oh lord.
I don't know what I mentioned.
Let me pull up the obsidian vault really quickly. So I don't know why I'm pulling up the obsidian vault. I'm just gonna do this in Visual Studio Code. Whatever. So you mentioned that the levels you wanted to have backgrounds be something, right? Like you wanted it to be based on the level? Question mark? Like for the tile set that you use whenever we replace the doors, or like the gradient color.
I meant, yeah. The background is based on like the scene that it's in, though. So
Yeah, that's true. The only weird thing
that was like not really what I was thinking of, but we could do it based on whatever.
Yeah, because we can do so like on a what are the things we want to change that you mentioned? So it was like the gradient or the exits.
Gradient? Yes.
And the tiles?
Like the ambient particles that are like attached to the player.
Okay.
Yeah, tiles for the exit as well. That's a good point.
Okay.
Because we had to decide what like index of
the
tile set to fill it with. I think that's really it for now. And then options for overriding it per room.
Okay, so we want these to be like defined per level, optionally overridden.
Yeah.
Per room?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, that should be easy enough. Also, one thing that I would like to do at some point, what did you push up, by the way? You pushed up rainy room or something?
The background, yeah.
Rainy testing? Is that this thing? Okay. I would like to at some point experiment with setting up the second level, like being able to go to it specifically. And the way that I was thinking about doing that, because we have all of the rooms in this folder now, but instead of having it set up so that there were like, I don't know what we're calling them. Like there would be like flesh, and then like the rainy, and then like things like that. Folder.
Yeah.
And then we would put the associated rooms in here. And then it would just like pick them. That way we don't have to, like, if you add a new room, it'll just grab it.
Yep.
And then we could have like special rooms inside of. What did you say?
I said yeah, that would work.
Okay. Yeah, and then we could have like
And then,
special
we
rooms
have
that are like not put into level generation, but are like kind of additional ones that are manually kind of like added to the list of things to pick, like certain criteria, like the shop room.
Yeah, so we could have like a parameter to fill in when generating rooms of like, oh, what variant of the shop room do we pick?
Yeah.
And then it would go in and be like, I want the shop room from this area.
Yeah, I think that works. Sorry, my microphone is annoying. Okay, that's.
I was gonna say something. Oh yeah, I don't know if we want the floors to have like names that like the player sees.
I would imagine
not like
so.
Maybe, but also I'm like not the biggest fan of naming things. Mostly because I'm bad at it.
I'm a fan
that I go up with
of
like,
having stuff like that in games, like knowing like instead of saying like floor 4 in the dungeon. I don't even know what floor it is, but saying like, oh, it's the forge, or like saying, oh, it's, this is the oubliette, this is the Gungeon proper, which is like stage 2, or like Mines, which is 3. Like those make more sense.
I thought the mines are 2. Am I dumb?
The Mines are 3, I'm fairly certain. I thought.
They probably are. I'm probably just dumb.
Of course. Let's find out.
Hello, Temp. What's the art process like? That's a good question.
It is the third one.
Basically, it is the third one.
Yeah, well, the Forge is 5, but this one's called the Hollow. Oh, yeah, I fucking hate this level.
The Hollow. Oh, is that like the one with like the ice and stuff?
Yeah, it's also the one with the cats that just like duplicate and then they like shoot at you. They're not cats, but like
that one doesn't annoy me. That one's not that bad.
They are cats, actually. Never mind. I guess
it's mostly like the number of little guys that are really annoying. Because there's a lot of like really fast little guys that shoot really fast.
Yeah.
Anyways, in terms of art process, for most things, I just have this big file that I just like draw things in. I'm trying to think of what my process usually is. Usually I'll just start with like the general shape of something. So say I want to draw like a gun like this, I'll just like here's my barrel that it's going to be on, and then I just expand it out into like a block and add like a little handle.
W.
Mag, yeah.
So let's say for the levels, whenever we set them, if we say like move to level mines or whatever, do we want that to be like an enum? Do you think an enum would work well for that? Like if you say I want to set the level to mines, you would do like...
Yeah, I think that would work.
Okay. Let's do that. Not an enum.
Yeah, I'm just like messing around with this is, but basically I just start with like an outline and then just like add details. My art process is like not very detailed. It's just like I just start drawing shapes and stuff shows up. So I apologize if it's not super helpful, but something like that. And then I would like color it, and then to say I want it to be gray, color gray, and then I give it an outline like this. And then I like mark out some more lines. Enter Gamer the wish list, let's go. Thank you. That is very helpful. It's hard to do marketing, so every wish list is very helpful.
Why did you say that so wistfully? It's so hard to do marketing in times like these.
I know, it's so hard. I don't know. Because I'm bad at saying words normally, so like I just like...
Yeah, Bruce, like, check this one out, guys. I'm gonna make everyone feel sad for me.
Yeah, you should feel bad. You should go tell all your friends about it because you feel so bad. I was kidding. Usually, the main thing that's helped me the most with drawing a lot of these sprites is using like references. Because I was thinking with pixel art, it's like, oh, I should just be able to draw this because it's so small and easy. But it's like, even the simplest things, just having a reference to look at make it way easier. So like, I'd say like 80-90% of this stuff I use like a reference for. Like for example, this Jupiter planet sticker that I made, I just looked up like images of Jupiter or like Jupiter illustration and looked at how they like shaded it, how they added like details. Another thing with pixel art is like there's a lot of small details that you just leave out. Like a lot of people will try to draw in like the tiniest little details, and that can just end up making it look bad. Because if there's like a small detail that is less than a pixel size and you try to draw it with like 3 pixels, then it just ends up showing up like very obviously when it should be something that's very small. So, I'm bad at giving art advice, but
check out Adam C. Eunice on YouTube.
This is true. I can send this in chat. You're correct on that. I forgot he exists.
Evil.
Actually, but there we go. This guy has really good pixel art. Even Bitlytic loves his tutorials. The thing I find hard right now is drawing particles and particle systems. For those, the main thing that I do that helps the most for particles is to just use abstract shapes for the most part. Like, let me find my file that I have particles in, or I can just pull it off in here. But like, most of the particles that we have in here are just like, where's my generic particles? So I have this file here that's like generic particles. So I have like, see the best way to view these.
What is barf?
Barf. So that's a song that I have. It's really loud. It's like random music that sucks. I need to make more music. But as I was saying, most of these are just like simple shapes. So, like, this is a blob that like gets smaller over time, like animates that I can use for like droplets. This is just like a circle that I took chunks out of over time, and then I can literally use that for like smoke. I can use it for fire. I can use it for like trails on things. Then I have rings. So like, a lot of the particles in this are just really simple shapes, and then it's like how you actually use them that can make it look really nice. And I also do a lot of like looking at other games. Like, a lot of those particles and things I just stole from either other games or like other projects that people are doing. Obviously not just like stealing, but looking at things that you like and figuring out how they do it. Now what was I doing? Oh yeah, the deck things. What other deck things? Make fence. Also, hello, Saleluja.
No shot.
How are you doing? How many months have you put into this game?
3.5
it has
years.
been...
Yeah, it's been 3.5
No,
years.
it has not been 3.5 years.
And 4.5.
I think I would die. It's been like a year and a half ish. Maybe a little more at this point. Probably. I don't know. For a while. Hopefully it'll be done soon.
Nope. Not happening. Dante's 9 is never done, actually.
Okay. Playing guys takes a lot of courage and time. Mostly time. And it's also because I'm lazy and don't work enough, but you know, whatever.
Wait, what am I doing? Why am I doing this? Wait.
That's a good question, Twin.
Hold on, I might be like a genius in a second. Fuck all of this. I don't know why I'm doing this. I literally wrote utilities to make this so much easier. I don't know why I would ever.
Sometimes I just open Godot and stare at my project. Yeah, same. Some days I just don't open Godot at all.
Real.
And then it's like, I should have worked on my game, and then the next day I don't open Godot at all. Auto battler where you sacrifice loot to dark rituals or for reforging items in a synergistic builds. It's a lot of big long words. They're hard to read.
Yeah, good thing we're only making a roguelike deck builder platformer action RPG. It's not an RPG.
RPG. What do you mean RPG?
I just felt like throwing in more words because my sentence was coming to an end and I wanted to keep talking.
I think you missed roguelike, but whatever.
Did I?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. Well, it's not like important to the game anyway, so it's fine.
This is true. Roleplay as Dante.
This is true.
This is true.
Facts, Your Honor.
For roleplay game. I guess that's how that works, sure.
Is it Dante Bridge Change or Hellcat Bridge Change, or is it Bosca Meow?
It's Hellcat Bridge Change. It's the main song.
Word. Do you know the fade color by default?
The fade color?
Yeah, for whenever you go through like the thing where it's like...
Oh, okay. I was like, what does that have to do with the song?
No,
I think it's the darkest red.
The darkest red. Like this darkest red or this darkest red?
The darkest red. That one.
This one?
No. The other
this one.
The one that's the darkest red.
At that point, I don't think I would call it red. Still, you can see
that's
up here.
The darkest red.
This is not red.
It's still red.
This is not red.
It may technically show up as purple. It's still red.
I'm just saying, like, I don't know, man. It's the darkest in like the red section, but it's like not a red. So like, I
yes,
don't know.
but it's still red. It's hue shifted so that way it fits the shading better, but it's still red. In the context, it's red.
Type shit.
We don't hate each other, by the way.
Are you sure?
No.
Yeah. Sorry.
Well, me when someone asks me where I can find some water. Dude, I feel so sleepy. This is so true. But I don't want to leave. Yeah, don't leave. We will feel really bad if you leave.
That's not true.
We'll be like, what did we do wrong?
Yeah, we'll be like, man.
Why is our stream so bad?
Yeah, Zalaluja doesn't want to be here. Zalaluja really doesn't want to talk to us. What the hell?
Yeah, it's literally over.
Oh, wait.
I mean, I wouldn't want to talk to me either, so fair enough.
Real.
You are lying. No, I would never. No. Okay, fine. Maybe I am. Pokemon Frog guy. That's your name now, by the way.
That's me. I'm Pokemon Frog guy.
Yeah.
This is tragic. I hate frogs. It's not true.
That's kind of evil.
It's not true. They're kind of cool. What should the fade color be for the...
Frogs are
I'm just gonna make it this dark blue. Whatever. We'll find out. I'm also gonna change the
for
song to be
for the
the
rain?
job. Yeah, don't worry about it.
It's the darkest
Yeah, don't worry about it.
black. Or yes,
It's the darkest
it's
black.
just the black. I believe so.
Is this fade current? What does this look like? I guess it's not gonna have doors, is it?
If you get rid of the grid, you're gonna be able to see it a little better. Or maybe it's just on my screen, but yeah, that's just the black. Pretty sure.
Where am I looking right now on my screen to see this shit?
Literally the color of the tile.
Oh, I'm talking about is the fade the same? It should be the same.
No,
color.
the fade doesn't show up in this scene.
No, that's definitely like one of these. Definitely not the darkest black.
Yeah, if you want to try the
I'll
other
find
ones,
out. I'll fucking.
you can do that.
You know what I can do? Check this out. I did this thing. If I open up paint now, it's not as blinding because I had it open up with a default background color. Kind of fire. I also made it so if I scroll down, I have this color down here that I can pick. So that if I need to draw something on screen, I can do that. In Pirate software. Oh, yeah, you didn't copy that to my clipboard. You're so right. Where the fuck did that go? Oh, that's so cool. I can't see what the... I can't see what color this is. It's picking it, and that's great, but it's not showing me what the color is. Show me the fucking color. Hey, A-Sprite, come to my fucking rescue. Thank you. 172.038, sure, dude. That's probably going to be fucked up because of the... Oh, no, that's one of the colors. Wait, what? Sorry, did I do something wrong? Oh, that's not going to pick because it's not a... No, it will. There we go. We're good. We're getting there. Okay, maybe it's the darkest black. I have no fucking clue. I guess we'll find out. Exits. How are we doing the exit fade, actually? Is there just a sprite here with, like... Is there just a sprite here? Oh, there is. Oh, Lord, there is. Oh, Lordy Lord.
It's over.
So the new question is, how do we want to do this? Do we want to change the modulator? Do we want me to just go in there and edit the data in the fucking colors? I think I'll probably just do that.
Yeah, I guess you'll just do that.
Yeah, I'll just do that.
Let's do
Export R, feed, gradient. Texture is 1D. Is that what you are? You're just a gradient? What? Oh. Like this. So. Oh, shit. Okay, you're going on screen because I gotta go use the bathroom, and I'm also gonna think about this, so good luck. All right, furry boy, I'm back. Where's it? What? What? Huh? What? Mm.
Sometimes my art process is also just draw the same thing like 20 times until it doesn't look terrible. And then sometimes it still looks terrible.
True. That's okay. Sometimes my coding process is think really, really hard about something, and then whenever I feel like it's perfect, start coding it, and then sometimes that perfect actually just turns out being terrible.
Yeah, and then I go in and be like, why is this terrible? And he's like,
yep.
I don't know.
And then you're like, I'm gonna add something to this, and then it doesn't work.
Yeah.
JW's quiet on my stream? What? The fuck? Or why? Okay. JW, can you like make like just make a noise like for like 10 seconds straight? Like 10 seconds straight. Like, can you just like hold?
10 seconds?
Can you just, like,
I'm
hold
talking.
a note?
I'm talking.
Okay. I think it should be probably fine now.
Okay.
Hopefully. Is that better, Cosmic?
Sorry. Is that better, Cosmic? Can you hear me, Twin? Are you there, Twin? Twin?
That's better. Okay. I'm sorry.
Twin, can you hear me? Are you there? Hello?
Can you shut up? I'm gonna kill you, I think.
Okay. Fair
Yeah,
enough.
which when's the next Rivals tournament?
True. Wait, I want to
We gotta enter doubles. Hello, JW.
True. We gotta actually win.
We gotta win a single
Hello,
game
Cosmic
ever.
Sandwich Cat. Yeah.
What rooms are valid? Room 9 is like not valid as fuck, right? Yeah, you're green.
No. Yeah,
Is it just room 1 through 8 and then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fairly certain.
I have moved them into their own folder. They are now called Flesh. That is what they will be known as.
Okay, fire. We'll definitely change that later, definitely.
Yeah, definitely. This will definitely not
Most
make it to production. This definitely will not be part of the actual release.
Yeah, we would
Definitely
never.
not. I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm gonna find out. I'm just gonna hit play, and if it works, it works, and it doesn't work, and that's okay. Oh, this is not where I expected it to fail. That's actually crazy that we managed to get it to this point where you're getting added to the tree. Okay, I thought we were gonna fail way before that. That's actually like some new shit that I just did. Who are you, room exit component? You are called that. I was hoping that you wouldn't be because the thumbnail looked weird. I wonder how that's gonna work, actually. Should find out. Why is there rain here? In this world?
Because, reasons.
Oh, I made this backwards. I see what's going on there. You should not be that way. You should be opaque in the middle and transparent on the edges. Hopefully. Let's find out. This is a different color than what I thought it was. I thought it was the darkest red. Or am I like stupid? I guess I could just look at this. 130D15. Who are you? Is that even in the palette?
Color are you looking at?
This one. 1D0 or 130D15. It doesn't look like it's in the palette.
Where are you getting that from?
Where am I getting that from? I'm getting it from the gradient that is currently on the door exit.
Oh, yeah, I think that one's old. Maybe?
It's supposed
I don't know.
It's supposed to blend in with this, but it isn't.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, that's true.
I might have accidentally changed it.
Let me make sure that my code's not like going all crazy mode, but it looks like that's a different color than... Yeah, like that fades correctly. Oh, that's funny. There's like... You can only like barely see it, but there's like a box where the fade is that you can see that the particles are going behind it.
Oh, that's really funny.
Okay, so why are you... Oh, because your modulate is set to a different color. Why is your modulate a different color? What the fuck?
I don't know.
It's like... It's got like this lowered modulate on it, and then it's a different color. It's like...
Oh, I think it's because because the ground might actually be slightly darkened in the tile. Let me look. Yeah, the ground actually has a slight modulate to it, just in the level, because it's slightly darker.
What's the color of those tiles then? Let me see.
What tiles?
What's the tile set for the red floor called? The flesh floor.
Oh, I think it's called floor 1 tile set.
Like floor underscore 1 or floor underscore like name 1.
Floor underscore 1.
Like the word 1 or the
Like one.
number 1?
Like the number.
I'm not seeing floor underscore.
Or maybe
I'm
it's
seeing
circle.
flesh
It's
floor
probably
auto
circle
tile.
1. No, it's not.
Is that not?
I mean, that's. Are you looking for the file or the tile set?
Either or. I think that's fine.
Well, you got the file.
Yeah. I need to see what the fucking colors of this are so that I can use it.
The colors are in the palette, 100%.
100%.
Actually,
100%.
nah, actually, I'm not sure. That might not be.
100%.
No, not 100%.
100%.
No, not 100%.
Beg for your life in
No, I
chat
didn't say
now.
that.
Beg for your life in chat now.
No, I didn't say 100%.
100%. Because I can tell you right now that this color that I just color picked, this color
I
pickle,
forgot about that one.
is not 100%. Are any of these colors in the fucking palette? Let's find out.
Yes.
2, 4, 1,
yes,
5,
all
2,
the other
7.
ones should be.
Let's see. Let's find out. Oh, you know what I can do? You know what? I can make this easier on myself.
By the way, how do you like these little chain fence things?
Okay, not in the palette. 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 What about this transparent? Not in the palette. Technically. So why is this a different color than like not?
Because the other colors are way too bright.
Making it gray. Ugh.
Now you see.
Now you see. Fuck you.
What did I do?
What did you
I
do?
literally make the game look nice and then you complain.
Hey, this is fine, right?
No,
No.
that's not.
Okay, dude. Well, this color is not in the palette. 100%, by the way. 100% he said. 100% he said. Just saying. Like, he did say 100%. I think we all heard that. We all know what he said.
I mean, I forgot about that part. But,
Oh,
you know.
100%, but I forgot. That's not 100%, dog. That's just called being wrong.
Look at my fence, twin.
Well, that's sick. It's not a fence, but that's sick.
It's like kind of a fence, but
That is not a fence. That is like a chain rope or whatever the fuck. Like a divider for whenever you're waiting in line at like a concert or some shit. But like,
yeah.
that's some shit that they have next to like water in really rich places. Like at like Disney Springs or some shit. They got that on the fucking by the boats.
Or like
No boats at Disney Springs.
next to my house.
Next to your house, yeah, because you're like rich.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. He's very rich.
Yeah.
Why is there a static one here? I don't fucking care. I don't. It's to me. Okay, I need to set up the rainy floor so that it works. So let's do that. Are we gonna? Is it always gonna start in the same start room? Like,
Yes.
there's only gonna be one start room per floor.
Yep.
100%, or like
Yep.
100%, or like
And
really
like a
100%.
dungeon has like really 100%.
Okay.
Oh, you mean like the same between each floor?
No, like you start on flesh floor. We're not going to have like variations on the start room, right?
No.
Okay. 100%.
Yes, 100%.
Okay. Hold him to it. Play Dante tonight when it comes out next year, and then if it has multiple start rooms for the same floor, kill him, murder him.
Yeah, you can do that, I guess.
What is that? Who are you? Is player spawn? Oh, I see. Yeah, sure, dude.
I'm trying to think. Is there a way to auto tile this? I don't think there is. Because it's like every other tile is different.
You can just make it like a tile, like, oh no, I see, because we got like the edge ones and the not edge ones.
Yeah. So I have it like this, where there's like each tile. I mean, I can do like have like a starting one and then go like this. Wait, now, like this to like extend it. So it's like not a big deal to do that.
Oh shit, dude, you can put them really close together so they're holding
that's
hands. Wait, that's fire.
Like,
Yeah, dude. Defense frauding.
We might have to kill you.
My fault. My fault, OG. What am I... Oh. I didn't know that was a tool. Whatever. What am I doing here? What am I doing here? I'm sitting here and I'm staring at this and I'm thinking about it.
I'm on the wrong layer.
Thinking about it. This thing. You have room type none. What if we... Uh-oh. You actually do belong to room base. How about we move you to the enum file first before we do anything else? Room type, enemy shop boss and run. I definitely want you to be in the category like start potentially. And then also I need you boot because I don't like where you're at. Surprise. New enum. Except it's not new.
Now it's symmetrical. I'm trying to think what other decorative things would look nice down here. Maybe like a big gate in the background.
What if this just doesn't run? Oh, hey, surprise. It doesn't. Why is that? Is it because I didn't put this in the right folder? Correct. Oh, this is actually gonna fail like way before this, I think. Holy shit, it's running. I lied? What the fuck? I thought you were gonna crash and burn. Weird. Do you extend anything? You don't. Wait, what? Do you have generate rooms connected to room data, generate level? Huh, I guess not. I thought this loaded things in, but I guess it doesn't. Spawn a room. Rooms, get rooms. Open exits. Options. Huh. Weird. I thought this was doing something else, but I guess not. Whatever. Wait, so does this just work? Like this just worked? Do I have a boss room? I do. He's fucking loaded? That's weird, but okay. I guess now I can do the same thing with this one called a rain. I love the part of the stream where we both go into like our flow states and just forget to say anything ever.
Yeah, I definitely never do that.
I kind of just like forgot to speak and I kind of was just like in the the code moment, you know?
Yeah.
Oh shit. You're upset. Why are we upset? Oh, because you don't have a data path. You don't have a data path.
Data path? No data.
I forgot to set the data path.
See. In many such cases.
I can't leave the room. How did you move the exit?
What?
Whenever you made this room, did you move the exit over? I can't.
No, I don't think so. I just copied the
Oh shit, it works.
I copied the default base room. So
Wait.
whatever the default base room.
Wait, dude, it works.
What that is.
Wait, JW.
What?
Okay. So check this out. So here's the level. Okay, all is normal. I can't go into here. Well, where the fuck is the fade sprite? Whatever, we'll figure it out later. I can go in here, and you can see that it looks weird, right? Do you know why it looks weird?
Because it's in the rain level.
Because I put this in the rain level, which means we're generating into the rain level. And if I want to change this back to the flesh level, I can change that. And then I can load into the flesh level. And now we spawn in the flesh level, and it has the correct colors. And if I go to the room that I moved over, it has the correct colors. The particles are still fucked up. But, yeah, so now we can... And if I were to add, like, any more whatevers here, I could just do that. I could just, like, duplicate rainy room test. And then call it, like, rainy room test 2. And then... This should just work. I mean, I'll set this to not have, this thing. I'll say this is... Oh, this is just an enemy room chill. That apparently was already set. Oh, I didn't know that. That shouldn't be... Oh, no, what the fuck? I'm, like, double tapping the thing and it's not letting me... Let me view. Let me view the file. Why can't I view the file? Oh, did I duplicate the wrong file? I did. Oopsies. Let's kill both these really quickly. Unless... Oh shit, I moved the wrong file. Oh no. Fuck, Godot's gonna be upset with me. Not Godot. JW's gonna be upset with me. I deleted the rainy room. It's gone forever now.
What?
Yeah, it's gone forever. There's no way to get it back.
Oh.
Yep.
It's over.
Mm-hmm. This is true.
What am I gonna do?
I don't know, make it again. But, like, cool this time. You should make it, like, bright red. That'd be sick.
Yeah, it's a good idea. I'm uninstalling the game right now. So real. Me too.
I don't understand. Dude, I actually don't understand. Godot, please. What the fuck are you doing? Oh, okay, now it's the correct one. The blue room's such a lovely change of pace from the rest of the red. Yeah, I mean, it actually really is. After staring at the red for the last half a year. I understand why bulls hate that shit. Fishing can't be done on the tree root. Well, I'm not trying to, dickhead. Oh, I also changed it. I should make sure that it works before I say that I changed it. Let's find out. Oh, hey.
We should, but yeah.
Why are you upset? I don't understand. Why did you get unset? Rooms, rain, you. Wait, you like it unset like
I'm still on Bitlet equation.
Let's go, fire.
Yeah. We now have this goofy little arch.
Dude, this fucking unset everything that I did because I was hitting Control Z for so long. Give me that color back. Give me this color that's 100% in the palette. %, he said, dude. At 100%.
No, I didn't. No.
So if I turn on
I didn't. No.
the oh, the music is not the different music. Let me into the fucking teleporter. Why? Oh, thank you. Wait, what? Oh, because it didn't get updated. Because I wanted it to be the shop theme so that I can see that it's working. It's not working. What?
What are you doing? How are you setting it?
Oh, I don't know. I haven't looked into that yet. Don't worry about it. It's like I just thought it would work. So I just need to find where I'm.
I mean, like, how are you setting the song?
Hmm?
How are you setting it?
I don't know. It's been a while since I've looked at this code, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm just like I thought that I could just change it here and then it would work. It does not, which is fine. Does this do this on ready? Oh no, switch song. On.
Yeah, there's some. I think. I don't know. Whatever. I'll let you figure it out.
Yeah. Oh. All of the rooms have songs still set by default. But they're not supposed to. That's the problem. Or no, I guess the start rooms do. No, most of the rooms do. It's like yeah,
I'm pretty sure they do.
They're not supposed to because this is supposed to be overridden and shouldn't be set on a per room basis for the most part. A per room basis. Per spit your shit twin. Did I not update this correctly? You have a room song, you have a room song. Why? Or you don't have room songs.
I'm gonna take a break and grab some water. I'll be back in just a few minutes.
Alright, good luck. Wait, did this even print anything? Oh, it didn't. Okay, cool. But if I go to the next level, does this... Oh, it doesn't. Weird. Let me mute the music. I don't feel like listening to this song again. Oh, I see what's happening. Maybe you shouldn't be doing that. You should just say, yo dog, give me the song. Mute the music again. Okay, there we go. Now it's the fucking cat theme. Oh. Like faded. Okay, I need to fix that. Should fix that. And the last thing that I wanted to do to make the levels actually work, first of all, is I need to move these over so they actually. What the fuck are you? Oh, this needs to be updated. This hasn't been updated since we had the changes to... There we go. This hasn't been updated since we had the changes made where the doors control a lot more of the stuff. Right, there we go. So this thing should only need the 4 exits. You're not in the right spot. Oh, my cat wants to join me. Come on. Hey, sweet girl. Alright. I don't have a cat in my lap. Hello, creature. We can kill this, and leave that. Right on. So we have a room center node, which is fine mostly. Actually, don't know if that's needed anymore. Actually, this doesn't need to be a thing. Oh, hello. How did I... Don't do that. Don't do that. Please put it back. Thank you. I like clicked here or something and that was weird. And I should also do a screw template because this thing needs to be updated correctly.
Hello, Faz Gang. We are back.
Gross. Hello.
Unfortunate.
Yeah.
Bleh. Nope, I didn't want to open Audacity.
Oh no, this is gonna take him. This is an 8-year delay now. Fuck, I want to play Cogmine so bad. It's so cool.
You had to work first.
It's such a cool
Gotta do
game,
your homework
dude.
first.
Dog, I ain't got homework. Fuck off. I don't have homework. Wait, how are you setting...
What other decoration?
What is this? What is this? What is terrain index? Is this something that you coded or is this something I coded?
Oh, that is... Yes, that's the
I know it
index of
maps.
the terrain.
I know it maps here. Yeah, this really, terrain index is the index of the terrain. Super great.
So
how does that
on
map
the
to
ground,
this? I were to take a look at this.
it maps to the terrains. If you look at the right, on the right tab on the bottom, terrains.
The
where it says
right
terrains.
tab on the bottom. On the
On
right
top
tab.
of the bottom, the left top.
Oh. Okay, you meant this one. I thought you. I was like, oh, probably this one, but you said on the right tab on the bottom, and I'm like, what the fuck are we talking about over here? Yeah. So it maps to these.
On the bottom. Yeah.
Is it?
I think it's terrain set 0.
Terrain
so
set
whatever.
0, and then whatever's in here.
Yeah, and then whichever one's in there. So it's set to 0, so it's going to be red brick.
I see.
Which
Wonder
is
if
that
there's
one.
a better way that we can do that.
Not really, because the function that we use to fill it in picks it from that.
Yeah, I mean, like, more, so that whenever we're picking this inside of here, since you're gonna
I
be...
mean, we could just always have whatever the filling thing is be the first one.
I mean,
we
we
wouldn't
could,
really have to
but...
worry about it at all. But then what if we have like a room that has like a different...
Does this have to know about the tiles there? What does this do, actually? Does this grab the ground and then say set this region?
I think it grabs the ground, yeah.
Okay.
Because the doors are actually the one that... The doors tell the like room to fill it. I don't remember how it works.
Yeah, I think it's something like that. I think it's, where is it? I think we get the area from the door. And then we use that to fill in the region.
Sounds about right.
Oh no, the rooms do just fill the terrain, I remember, yeah.
Okay.
Round. Yeah, that thing. Fill terrain. Oh yeah, because it has its... Yeah. I mean, that's fine. So do you think that we want to have a field inside of here that's like what terrain index that we want to use, or like by default?
I would.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, it'll most likely be 0 for all of them. But
yeah, I'm just trying to think if there's a way that I could... I don't know enough about the Godot, like, actual, like, tile set editor down here, because I was like, we could get a list of these, however the fuck these are stored inside of the tile set. Like, does this have a list of names on it? Where in the fuck is the open documentation button? It's just not there. Okay, word. My fault.
But you just like
Put me somewhere that
search.
It's terrain. Yeah, we have that. We also have terrain set count, I think. Yeah, so there's count and then there's names.
So I don't really see how those would help.
I mean,
honest, but we'll figure it out.
Yeah, I'll show you what this could look like. I mean, you can do whatever you're still doing. It'll take me a minute to do, but...
I need the more decorative items.
Hi, Callie. What's up? My sweet creature. I love her so much. She's so cool.
Silly creature.
She's not silly. She's just a creature.
Kind of dumb.
Hey. You're like kind of right, but like don't say it so loud. She might hear you.
Callie, you're dumb.
She just looked up at me. She looks so sad right now. JW, she looks so sad right now.
Tough.
It's crazy. She doesn't look sad. She like never makes any other face than the one she normally makes.
Dumb face.
No.
It is kind of a stupid face.
Brother. What the fuck, man?
It is. Am I wrong?
Yeah.
No, I'm not wrong. Now I want a cat.
It's a treat for after you're done with Dante's Nine. You can move out and make your own cat. Make your own cat, yeah.
You make your own cat.
Yeah, make your own family with a cat.
Yeah, I'll just live by myself with a cat.
Yes, sir. That's the
Pretty
play.
tough.
That is the play, actually.
That is the play, actually.
You thought Dante's 9 was a cat-positive game? No, he actually hates cats.
Positive. Sorry.
Yeah, okay, buddy. hi, Callie. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. I was like, why the fuck are you making that noise? What the hell?
What the hell?
Callie. Sweet girl. How you doing?
Here's a good bit of the decorative bits that I have.
Decorative bits.
A couple more.
Inventor,
I think I
or
want
just-
some like hanging things, but I don't know what. Maybe some like banners, like ruined banners.
Oh, this isn't. Okay, I see what's going. What's going on?
Nope, but I have bitlytic vision on because I'm evil.
Fire. Everything's so quiet now that I closed the game and there's no rain going on in the background.
I know, it's so sad without it.
Fuck. That rain's making me tired.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe you should go play Cog
Turn
Mine.
the white noise machine off. For real, dude. So fucking real. Alright, it's back. You're welcome.
Yay.
Here we go. Oh, that doesn't work. Cool. Okay, dude.
Sorry.
You can like knock that off.
Sorry, I just sneezed.
Why?
Bad. Because I don't know. I don't know what it is, but whenever I'm working, I like sneeze so much. I don't know if it's like there or in the shop, but it's like always sneeze.
I was allergic to that shit.
Yeah.
So here's the thing that I was talking about, by the way, JW. So
Uh-oh.
here's what this looks like. So I've got this tile set thing that I can choose, and I can load in
I
floor
see.
1 tile set, and it'll give me a list of the like terrains.
Oh, wait.
And if
That's
this,
actually cool.
if this isn't populated, this would still just be 0, so it doesn't need to be done. But if you wanted to override it, you could find this
I
in
see.
the index 1, 2, 3, and so on.
Maybe a little dev cave is dusty.
It does not have a
I
dev
don't
cave.
think it's that. Yeah.
Or has an
I
artist
actually do
bunker.
kinda. Yeah, that's more like it.
Are you, wait, don't you have your bed's like over your desk, right? Are you one of those fuckers?
Yeah.
Those freaky
Yeah.
ass weird motherfuckers.
It's nice. What
It's
are you talking
weird as
about?
fuck, man.
No, it's really nice.
There's like, yo guys, I'm gonna go hop in bed. I'll catch you guys later. And then he fucking puts his headset down and he fucking clambers on top of that shit. And he's like, oh man, I can't wait to go up into my fucking. I can't wait to go up to my nest, guys. Bro climbs up his fucking bed like a spider. You're like, man, this is cozy. You're like one tossing and turning in your sleep away from death, by the way. Just letting you know. Unless, do you actually do you have
that's not
fucking
how that
railings?
works.
Do you have bumpers?
Yeah, I do. Of course I do.
Oh, dude, he's got bumpers, guys. Look at him. He can't
What do
bowl
we-
like a
I
normal
just
person.
Sleep up
He's got
there,
bumpers.
like without. I would just sleep up there without anything keeping me from falling and dying.
You love efficient
Like,
uses of
hello?
space. I don't. Not in this case, because then his sleeping place and his working space are like very close to each other. It's easier to fall asleep if
It's
you're.
fun.
I find it way easier to fall asleep now that my bed, like I do nothing in my bedroom except for sleep. Like that's it. And that is, it makes it so much easier to fall asleep.
Right. Okay. Good job, Gwyn.
Yerp. Excuse me.
This sleeping space is separated by a ladder.
Oh.
You know, right? It's
Okay, so now all of these are that, and then if I were to go into the fluorine, change the filled in tiles to cobblestone background, this should look like shit, hopefully. I'm correct, it does look like shit. Kind of, in a weird way. That's very interesting the way that works, because those are like the same tiles, but they just aren't connected. That's kind of cool. And if I were to go into rainy testing, the actual rainy testing now, and change this tree index to be, oh, I can't change it back to 0, which is maybe a problem, but whatever, that's a problem for not me.
What?
JW will just have to make sure that the rain index is always like you never want to change it back to 0. 'Cause that's,
Okay.
yeah. exits on this room are still fucked. Whatever. Okay, so now this has... I wonder if this works. That'd be like kind of cool if this just works, but I don't know if it will. So let's find out. I also want to clean up some of the methods in this this file, because some of them do like exactly the same thing, but with like one small difference, and I need to make those a little easier to work with. Go room boss, give myself like, I don't know what's really good against the boss. Is it still just salmon storm spam?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, that seems pretty good. It's running really well too. And if I hit loop runs, let's go to the rainy level now. Oh my god, it does, dude. That's fire. Cool. So I just sequence broke our to-do list, which is pretty sick. Pretty nasty. Because I wanted... Oh, dude, the shop even shows up still. Oh, there's a chest there.
Yeah. Oh, it's probably because you finished.
It's because I set the room to an enemy room. Because I was testing something, but I didn't actually put any enemies that spawned in here, so it just completed the room. And then that's, I guess, where the chest spawned, because that's where the player was whenever they entered. And then here is the shop. A little fucked up and a little evil. But it worked. Functionally, it worked. Oh, also, I made one change to the stickers I didn't show you, or I didn't point out directly, but they go behind the charge thing now.
Okay, nice.
Because the negative sticker was actually being like a bitch with that, because it would look like they were filled in or not filled in.
Oh, yeah. It was, yeah. Yeah, that was weird.
Yeah. Yay, so that worked. So these can be killed. This can be killed. And this one needs... I guess all of these need their exits moved over. What the fuck? Why is this grid so much finer than the other grid? Give me those old files back. One of these files back. Okay, never mind, they're gone forever. I don't know. Whenever I changed the grid snapping on one of the scenes to be 16 pixels, and then I go to this one and it's 1 pixel again.
I don't know.
Weird. So we should be a little bit further. What else am I overwriting here? Oh, did we... Okay, actually, new question. So, the things that we mentioned was the gradient for the exits. Did we want that to be set on a per... Like, to be able to override it, do we want that to be overridable on a per room basis or on a per exit basis?
Yeah. Per room.
Per room, okay. do?
I think probably.
I might also reorganize some of these export variables in a moment.
Do you like these little banners I made? I need to work on the texture a little bit, but I'm not sure if I actually like them or not.
First texturing it. Why the fuck did you load? Why are you here? What are you doing? Oh, I guess I fucked up and added this back. Sure, whatever. Okay, yeah, there we go. So I edited it so that the rooms can have an overrated color for the fade. And I just had it so
Fire.
I have it so the shop is just spawning there. So he has this override color, which is there.
Yeah. So we have time to make a rainy shop.
Yeah, and then you can see this one doesn't have a color set, so it's just evil and fucked up. And this one also shouldn't be spawning this level, but whatever.
That's fire.
Yeah, sorry, what was your question about? You said something.
Banners. I don't know if these look good. They need a little texture work, but
They need a little bit of texture work, yeah. And then also they're very like I think one of the problems is they're all blowing at the exact same time and in the exact same way, which like kind of makes sense, but like not really.
yeah, but that's how the shader is working. So
What's the shader called?
the shader is based on the tile map.
What's the shader called?
Wind, I think maybe.
Wind tile map wind GD shader.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Not working when moving. ... Okay. Yeah. Whatever that means.
I have no clue how it works. but it just works. So if you ever want to mess with it, it's what makes all of the plants and stuff wave. So if you ever need to figure out what it's doing or like test it, it's in like every room. I was also testing just like hanging them from the ceiling, which also kind of worked a little bit, but looked a little weird. But I want to have something with like some movement. I was thinking like banners would be nice. I just don't know the best.
I like figuring out this shader, I'll be honest. I'll go back to it at some point potentially, but
yeah,
he's never gonna go back to that. Okay, yeah, and also the particles. You wanted to make the particles different per floor, you said?
Yeah, because they're like attached to the player.
Do we want those to be per room as well, overrideable?
Probably.
Because at a certain point,
there might be some like special rooms that have like glowy gold particles or something like that.
So at that point, I think that it wouldn't be attached to the player. I think that it would be a particle that would follow the player inside of the level, rather than being a child of the player directly.
That works.
Or like, yeah, you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, I know what you're saying. Doesn't get what you're saying.
Yeah, pretty much. JW.
What?
Why does this node have a scale set to 4?
I don't know.
It just has 2 audio players in it.
I don't know. Don't ask me.
But I have to ask you, because the base scene doesn't have the scale set to 4, which means that you put it in the level and said, yeah, this has to be times 4.
No, I didn't. Not necessarily.
You have no idea, dude. I was muted eating some fucking crackers, and I looked over and I saw that it was scale 4, and I fucking spit crackers all over myself. I was like, why the fuck is this 4?
Because, I don't know, I said so.
We'll add some skew to it as well. Fuck it.
Add some skew.
Oh my god, GW, what is wrong? I like
What?
This.
What?
Audio stream player 2D. Okay. I was thinking about it, and I was like, man, audio stream player 2D is weird because it'd be moving around. Wouldn't it be like sounding weird? No, JW fixed this by setting the attenuation or the max distance to 119,000 and 421. And then for the second audio stream player, It's 80,000. So it's not even the same value between them. He grabbed this and he went, yeah, fuck it. He said, yeah, that should be good. Brother, just make them fucking audio stream player like regulars.
There's a problem. There's an issue with that.
What is the issue?
You can do it. Yeah, do it.
Mm-hmm.
You do it, and you'll see. Twin. Trust twin.
Trust twin.
Man, this game is ass. Who the hell came up with Dante 9? You're so true.
You're so true.
You're
so true.
You're so true, twin.
Yeah, you're so true, bestie. You're so true, breasty. Set these back, and then
it is kind of terrible.
It is terrible. Audio stream, my ass cheeks clapping, kind of fire.
It's in a Northern Lion bit. I feel like it would be.
I could see that.
I feel like anything's a Northern Lion bit if you try hard enough.
If you try not hard enough, because he doesn't have to try. He just naturally does it. He's got that natural aegyo.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
I'm sure you don't. I'm like certain of it.
I didn't even hear what you said, to be honest.
Yeah, that's okay. I'm fine with that. I hate this guy. Does anyone want to be the artist for Dante's 9? Face value type object nil. Oh, where, yeah, you're actually like so pissed because of certain things being upset. Because you set things up. Well, this could still be a 2D, right? Yeah, because this inherits from audio stream player, right? Oh, you don't?
Guess what?
It
doesn't.
I see. Why doesn't it? That's weird.
Yeah, it's really weird. I don't know why. Here, Biddy, what do you think of the big banners?
Because it has to be a
little short,
node and
but-
node 2D. Interesting. Hold on, let me think about this. I could do this. I could totally do this.
Yeah, I thought about setting up a thing where it like lets you do
That's fine.
either, but I was like, no, I don't care.
It's insane to me that you set these to 2 random values. All right, what's your? Whoa, those banners look very out of place.
Okay, that's fair.
Yeah, they're like,
Get a little
you know what
bright.
they are?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I know what they are. Hold on.
What?
Keep them on screen, please.
Okay.
I need to go on. I need to find something.
I'm scared.
It's just 2 tongues. They're just tongues waggling, dude. Just really
It's
slowly.
not at all that.
It's just 2 tongues going back and forth.
It's not.
All right, let's see.
But okay, yeah, it looks terrible.
You can be the artist if I pivot to a text-based game. I don't think that's true. If I went for a text-based game, the art would be ASCII art. And can you do ASCII art? I haven't seen your NeoCities, so you heard Yu-Gi-Oh endorses this game. It's just a rumor. In reality, I've heard that this game is developed by furry characters that seek unlimited wealth. There's a furry character that's developing this game. He's the artist on the project, so
No.
sure. He actually did a ton of ASCII art. That's fucking sick. What the hell?
What the hell?
The Helion? The Heliante?
What if you made it darker?
Dark Tongue.
Let's make it longer too.
Long Tongue.
Also, yeah, it's like tip. We get colored shapes.
I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna do something that I've been meaning to do for a long time. And I'm gonna fix the spelling of environment. I've wanted to do it for so long, but I'm like, is it even worth it? And it might not be. Oh my god, the amount of things that just went across the fucking banner up there whenever it changed the name of that was so fucking funny.
This looks slightly better with like the darker red.
Give me a sec. Let me fix all of your environments.
Obviously, I don't think this is the greatest placement of them, but I do think it will. But
they're called environments.
that's how you spell it.
Nope. Incorrect. Search with AI. Yeah, I'll do that for sure, man. No, yeah, I'm sure that you can figure out how to spell environment. Maybe you are an AI.
Yeah, I'm ChatGPT.
ChatGPT. All right, what's up? Oh yeah, no, that looks better. That looks much better. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so I think it has some texture and they'll be somewhat usable.
Yeah.
I think I like him a little better than the small banners.
They do kind of
Small
just look
banners
like
will
tongues
be
going
small.
bleh. You know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait. Hold on. Wait. Wait. Like actually though, hold on. I'm having like a brain blast, I think. Biden blast. What if I were to look at the settings.gd? You're loading this from the built-in folders. How do I this thing? Like, I might be going a little bit insane with this one. I won't lie to you. We'll see, though.
This one.
Does that work?
I add a little texture to the banners, and they look really nice.
Whoa. Hold on.
Kind of. Might even need a little more texture, like towards the bottom. There's not really any. I think it works for the most part. For chance.
Oh, wait.
Wait.
This might actually be insane.
Wait.
Hold on. Wait, my heart's actually if I had a heart rate monitor right now, it would actually be going like up, which is insane to say. That's fucking crazy if this is true. Oh, it just crashed. Why did it just crash? That one I actually don't know why it crashed. We're gonna do that one again. That's a weird one, because that shouldn't have happened. That's actually something that... Oh, pressing... Okay, skipping the cutscene in this build crashes for some reason. I'll have to look into that.
That's a little awkward.
I wonder what that's related to directly. Like if I just sit here and let this go, when does it crash? Okay, when the worm spawns. Interesting.
Just spawning the worm makes it crash.
Yeah. Interesting. Well, let me change this then really quickly. I got something I'm gonna try though.
Okay.
This is unrelated to the worm. I'll fix the worm issue in a second, but that seems like a pretty big deal. But I do want to figure this out. I want to see if this works first, because this might actually be really fucking cool. This might actually be like really fucking cool. Like,
this might actually be really cool.
Like one of the coolest things that we've done for the game. Or what I've done. Yeah. So here I am in this. If this. Hold on. Let's teleport around. Okay, so this is one of the bad levels. Okay. Oh, you're fucked up and evil. It's fine. Doesn't bother me that much. Here's the boss. Oh, it didn't. It didn't crash on this version of it, but okay. Weird. Is it this one? Or did I already check this right? Yeah. Oh, wait, no. No, I'm stupid. Oh my god, wait, I might be, like, really dumb. Hold on.
Maybe. Okay, well, we got a good bit of tiles for this area. That's good.
Get out of here, dude. Oh, don't launch the game like that. Launch the game through the terminal, so if it crashes, I can see why. Oh, wait. Wait. JW.
Yes?
I think this might be like a big deal. So if I go in here, so can you take a look at my screen?
Take gotta look at your screen.
Give me something to do that is notable, like on the screen, that isn't a calf face, because I just already did calf face.
Oh, I don't know. Like draw something.
Yeah, like something notable.
Like
I could even put. You know what? Fuck it. I'll put something in the room. Where's Boy Kisser whenever you need him?
Okay.
Yeah, here's Boy Kisser. Okay, Boy Kisser's in the room. You can see the Boy Kisser. So I've saved the scene. It's called Awawawa Test. If this works, this is so cool. So I can grab this, and I will copy this. And put this. I already had one here. I'm just gonna put another. Or I'll replace it. Boy Kisser Test. You know what? I forgot to change the name to Boy Kisser Test. Not that it needs to be, but you. Okay. Okay.
What the heck did you just do?
Do you understand what happened?
No, I don't understand a single thing that just happened.
So, do you know anything about what just happened at all? Any guesses?
No, I have no clue.
So there's a folder in the playtest folder called Mods Room. I put the scene in there, and I launched the built game, and it loaded in the level that I just added.
What the heck?
Like, it just loads it.
That's crazy.
I will say, incredibly insecure, because you can put like your own custom code in there. But
yeah,
in terms of modding, that's actually really not that bad. Like, I could probably do like let's go in here and add like let's take a look at these changes. Like, I could, because it's just a packed scene, right? Is there? Let's add some GD script code to this. Like, let me add a node that just like code 2D. I'll give it a built-in script. And then I'll just do like for every physics frame, I'll just do a console.print. So, and then I will save this out, and I'll do the same thing that I just did, which is I'll put this into my rooms mod folder. And then I will launch the game, and it should hopefully work. So there's no prints, and now there are prints. So you can have built-in scripts, which is not secure, but it's really fucking cool that that's a thing, and that just loads as easily as it does. So you can see the script is down here. It's like a built-in just text string on things. Oh my god, that's actually so fucking cool. That actually opens up so many modding things. Oh my lord. Mods might like actually be in range for the release. Out of curiosity, what's the nastiest or most frustrating bug you two have run into working in Godot? I know exactly the answer to this, like immediately off the top of my head, at least for me. If you here, I'll show it case it kind of with whatever I do things in the game. So this is a room that is just like, this is one like scene in the tree, and then whenever I step over here, the player gets taken out of that. We load the new scene in, and then we put the player back in. The problem is that if we take the player out, and then no matter the amount of physics frames we have to wait, when we put the player back in, and we try to move them to the new position, it doesn't actually update. So you'll see like, let me use the camera debug thing really quickly to zoom this motherfucker out. So the room has 4 exits that are like here, here, here and here. You know, the top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. So I'm exiting on this exit, but then I reappear on this bottom right exit. You know, so normally you're 4 exits, but it's here. So whenever the player would get taken out of the tree, no matter the amount of frames you waited, no matter what you did, whenever you put them back in the tree and I tried to move him to this spot, he would, for one single physics tick, still be up here. And if there was an exit right there, it would trigger that exit as well. Which meant that you could go from like one room's bottom left or top left exit into another room's top left exit into another room's. Like you could technically jump like 5 rooms doing that. And it took me a long time to come up with a solution that I'm happy with, and the answer is I'm still not. But basically what we do is for like a frame, when we put the player into the level, we just disable every single collision on them. And then we put them into the level, wait a frame, and then give them all of their collision back so that they don't trigger any areas. I'll say a Moaz boy kisser. Did you just see the thing that I did, Moaz? Were you watching any of that? Because it's really cool. I got some cool shit that I just did. What thing? Okay. So, check this out, Moaz. So, I have this scene, which is, it has Boy Kisser. I'll move Boy Kisser up here onto the tile. And then I will... what's another fun object that we have? I'll put Nacho in here. Yeah, we have a Nacho flip sheet, whatever. So I'll just put Nacho in here, and then I'll make him regular Nacho size. Okay. So check this out. I'll save this, and I will grab this scene. I'm inside of Godot right now. I can go to File Manager, and here's the scene that I just saved. I can go to my playtest folder that has a built version of the game. Where is... Here. So I have this. This is from my Godot project. I will grab this, and I will move it into here, which is in my like built actual playtest folder. And I'll run the game. Move this onto the correct screen. Whenever I go in here, the Boy Kisser's up here, and there's Nacho, which means that if we introduce some way for people to make scenes or things like that, we could load them on demand. I wouldn't recommend doing this directly, because you can also, as you can see, there's like the prints, and the prints are built-in scripts in the scene. So right here, we just have like this script, which means this could be anything. This could do like os.delete, you know, like C: system32 or whatever. So yeah, we'll have to figure that one out. Mod loader, almost. It's actually just like built into Godot, because you can just where is it? Where are we doing it? Level manager, not level manager. Simple level generator. Yeah. So all I'm doing is I'm telling it to load. I have this function here, which just grabs the current, like where the executable is, and then it appends this path onto it, and then loads all the resources from that file, and or from that folder. And since scenes can just be loaded by Godot, we can just do that, which is fucking sick. It's actually so cool. A Godot game can just do that. Last night you wasted several hours debugging this infuriating issue with your project where it was spontaneously crashing seemingly at random. That's annoying. Oh, what's crashing the game actually? Sorry, I need to figure this out. There's apparently a crash with the game. Okay, not here. Level manager. Flesh. Wait, what? Oh no, sorry, set folder. It's much simpler than you imagine. Yeah, I think if I wanted to have people be able to load their own levels in, I would probably have it be... I think we're gonna do like data mods where like you can just have data, not like scenes, but like more serialized data, so that we aren't just like loading whatever arbitrary code. Or we'll have scripting mods which require like extra confirmation from the user before they're loaded. Okay, is this crashing? Oh, this is crashing because I fucked up the audio loop player, because I fucked with the exports because I changed things. Oopsies. JW, why didn't you tell me that this couldn't be using audio stream players? It has to use audio stream player 2D. You should have told me that. Is JW muted?
What? I'm here.
Oh, okay, you're just not talking.
Am I muted?
No, you're not. You just weren't talking.
Oh, okay.
Bro went quiet mode.
Yeah. I'm changing random values in this shader to see what they do. I still don't know what they do.
Is JW muted? I haven't heard him talk since I got here. No, bro was just like locked in on some shit. Apparently.
I was not locked in, actually.
Bro wasn't locked in, actually. Okay, that works. Cool. So yeah, that's the cool thing. I will like keep that as like a trick that I can do for later, but I think we'll turn that off for now. I'll actually just kill this entire thing. It was actually, it's fucking like 5 lines of code to add the user levels to the thing, but so cool. Okay, is there anything else that I wanted to do? Oh yeah, I guess here, yeah, I'll show you this Moaz. Something that was just added that I just did today. Sorry, I had to move my mic because my cat was here before. She's not now. So if I go to the boss room, that's not the boss room. If I go to the boss room and give myself hella curse skull. And also Salmon Storm, because I want to kill the boss as fast as possible. So the boss is dead. So if I hit loop run, it will take me to the next level, which like is actually just its own next level, which is sick. So we have like a first prototype of being able to swap levels now. What is this desert ass music? It's from fucking Dragon Ball Z Budokai Tenkaichi 2, you motherfucker. It's the fucking picking character screen song, and it's sick as fuck. Sorry, let me catch up with your lactose incarnate messages. There's a bug with rich text label. It was happening at random because there were timestamps in the labels, which slightly changed the length of the text. In certain setups, the text auto-wrapping can get stuck in this death dance where the parent container and the label infinitely go back and forth trying to resize until seg fault. You got a seg fault in fucking Godot? That's kind of impressive. What the fuck? What was I gonna do? I feel like there was something I was gonna change somewhere. Something. But maybe not. That might have been all I wanted to change for now. Let me see. Also, yeah, Dante's 9 could be the next Mario Maker. I do want to make the game moddable, if possible, if we have the time for it. I would absolutely love to make the game moddable, because we already have people in the Discord making mods for it. And we haven't even like added any support for it. They're just doing it, which is so cool to me. Let's see. What did I want to do? JW, what am I doing?
I don't know.
You don't know? Oh, let me look at my to-do list of like my timeline things, and then we can see. I kind of want to see how far we are from our deadlines for things. So by January 6th, I wanted to have the shop and money done. Oops, I skipped. Fine. I can actually still totally have the fucking shop done.
Yeah.
Like, I think this has.
And if you want, you can help me with some of the cards because we need to do those too. Don't forget.
Wait. Hold on. I might be like a slight goober about something. This would be really funny if this has just been here. Okay, now you
What?
can't. I'm pressing E. I thought that you could still
Mhm.
interact with Nacho even though
No.
he's hidden, but no, I guess it was just turned off.
It looks like his collision shape's disabled.
Oh, you're so right, yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh god. What do we want the shop to look like? We didn't have designs for this, did we?
No.
Okay, do we have an idea of what we want it to look like at all?
Yes, we talked about this.
Kind of.
Where the items would be out, and then the cards, you would like go up to him and be like, "Hello, I need to show you his cards."
Okay. And this wouldn't have the forge in the room, right?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Oh. The environment scene. I wanted to make it so that this could have the particles. Oh. Why the fuck does this scene exist? What does this do? Environment.tscn. Are you existing anywhere? You're in every fucking level? Okay, now that's kind of fire, actually. That's like sure. Wait, what? That doesn't need to be a thing. Because that's the default environment. Right?
No.
Is there not a...
There isn't. We don't have the default environment. I didn't even know you could do that.
Where the fuck is it? Where is it? Spit it out. Where is it?
I don't know.
I'm gonna lose my mind. Where is it? UI? Nope. Yeah,
It might be.
card activate. Nope. Generic. Nope. Okay, alt up works. Okay, sick.
It's probably in assets somewhere stupid.
That's what we're looking for. Yeah, just... Where are you? Show me. Spit it out. Where is it? UI, themes, and fonts. Never would have guessed that one.
I'm really the best.
Can this go? Okay, this can't go to my UI, themes, and
UI.
fonts. Yep.
I guess that kind of makes sense.
Does
but,
that-
like not really?
do anything different? Oh, this doesn't like show up in the editor. I guess that's like a slight difference.
Yeah.
Oh, that didn't work.
It just doesn't work at all.
Why?
You know?
Oh, I guess that makes some sense because it's not, well, no, that doesn't make sense actually. Default environment. Case the scene does not specify its own environment. There's load down scene load time regardless of whether you use it or not. What are you talking about, dude? What are you talking about?
Maybe it just doesn't work.
Weird. I thought that would just work. I'm kind of surprised it doesn't. Where the fuck did it go? It was open up here somewhere. Oh, sorry, punched microphone.
No, nice.
Ouch. It hurt me, actually.
Oh, no, it's terrible.
Yeah. That's weird. Sorry. Seemingly this issue has existed since 4.3 and is still broken in the 4.6 dev branch from what you've seen. A lot of people learned this into the far worse scenario where it's happening in the editor and made the scene file impossible to open. That just happens sometimes. Unfortunately. You can definitely like shotgun foot yourself sometimes with Godot, except it's like not actually a shotgun, it's like a mild annoyance because you can just go into the scene file and like edit the text file that it is.
That's weird. I love
So-
text files.
Yeah, that's true. I'm trying to think about how I want to do the particles in the level. As well as like so I'm thinking about there'd probably just be a scene, and then if it's specified in the level, we spawn it, have it follow the player or whatever, do whatever it needs to. Or if it's overridden, it doesn't.
Oh, I'm so tired. I'm trying to get something done.
Where's Evie Sleevey?
Yeah.
What
This is
cards are we
true.
doing this month?
I wanted to do the start and some of the summon ones, as I said.
Oh,
that's
yeah.
the other ones that I
Yeah.
have now.
Did we want to talk about that at all? Because you mentioned a couple of questions about like whether enemies should hit or target or.
Yeah, if you wanted to.
So do we want the enemies to target anything other than the player ever?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? We'll never have like monkey bombs or anything?
Probably not.
Okay.
Because given how like kind of dumb they are,
Mm-hmm.
I feel like that'd be kind of powerful to just like divert all attacks.
Divert their already barely one brain cell into doing something else. Yeah, I'm just trying to think about like what.
I mean, you can't do that in Gungeon, right? Even if you have like little buddies that follow you around.
I don't know if there's anything like that in Gungeon, no. Like a dummy or whatever.
Yeah, all the Gungeon like NPCs that'll follow you, they're all, none of them can like take damage or anything, I don't think.
What if I add a hitbox to the salmon? That
You need a health component too.
no, you don't.
You do?
No, you don't. No, you don't.
What does it do?
No, you don't. It doesn't need a health
What's the
component.
point?
Let's see. Put this on layer.
I'm confused.
Shoot at me, you bastard. Don't die so quickly. Oh, is it? Oh no. There we go. Look at that. The salmon block the projectiles because they count as player hitboxes. Salmon armor. I was just curious if that would work.
Would not actually be a terrible idea.
Salmon armor. Yeah, if we wanted summons to block shots, we could do that where they don't have a health. Or we can have it so that they do have a health. So that they die. But also, a random question:
Yeah.
does calculus factor into making games like like this, or
No,
does Godot have a
no.
lot of the math built in? Yeah, it has a lot of the math built in. You don't have to do like any
Yeah.
complicated math. JW has never done any
no, like-
complicated math in the game.
Hey, that's not true. Actually, that's probably true. I don't
I
know.
wonder what the most complicated math we have in the game is.
I mean, really, the main thing is like physics and like vectors. If you're like moving stuff around,
Yeah, we have 2 dot products
it's like
in
probably
the
like the
entire
player
game,
movement.
and one of them is unused, and the other one is.
No clue what that is.
This is if you are. Launch handler, I think, is being used by certain throwable items, so that if the player's moving the same direction, it adds the player's velocity to it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the stop product. Greater than it's positive if it's in the same like 180 degree direction, and then it's negative if it's not.
I didn't know. That's cool.
Yeah. So you don't actually have to like calculate the angle because a dot product is a lot quicker to calculate. But no, like a dot product is probably the most complicated math we have in the fucking entire ass project. It's not. Well, I did like manual or not manual. I did triangulation on certain things, but like that's not like math. That's just kind of like closing your eyes and then like drawing the shapes and figuring out where the triangles need to be. But you know, that's like magic.
Yeah.
Or like some of the shader stuff is like a little complicated, but not like that complicated. That one's again more like closing your eyes and figuring out like what matrices you need to multiply, but like not how to multiply those. Actually, do we have anything for calculus inside of Godot? Like, do we have? I don't know if there's.
I don't know. I took calculus. I don't even
Like,
know
what would
calculus
be?
is.
We don't have like a math class. It would just be in the fucking global scope, right? Like a derivative. Yeah, we we literally have a built-in derivative, I guess. Returns the derivative at the given t on a one-dimensional Bezier curve. Yeah, whatever the fuck this means. I can't picture what that means, but yeah, like we have a lot of the built-in functions. Like if you go here and look under the global scope methods, it's like, I mean, these are like simple, but like all of your sines, your cosines,
Even
your
like
tangents.
those, like you're never gonna use like most of those.
That's true. Cubic interpolate I have used, I think. But like there's just a lot of math shit built in. Nearest power of 2. This is for cryptography, I think, right? Maybe. I don't know. It's there.
I don't know.
Geometry and linear algebra is pretty much all you need. Kinda, yeah. It's less of like knowing the exacts of it and more of like knowing the applications of it. And that's kind of the case with a lot of programming is you're not usually making the linear algebra from nothing. It's like you are using the tools that other people who are much smarter than you have built.
Like using a calc, you know?
Yeah.
You gotta
What
know
the
how
fuck
to
is
use
that?
calc, but like you
Calc?
already got the calc.
It's a calc.
It's short for calculator.
Oh, okay. Huh.
Mhm.
You can make it from nothing if you wanted to, I guess. You could make it from nothing if you wanted your game to run like shit, yeah. Because you would be writing the actual operations inside of GD script space instead of just calling the fucking the actual C code. Right, C++, you know, like the low level code. I think I might actually be done with stream for today because I really want to play Cogmind, and I think I'm starting
That's fair.
I'm starting to power
I'm
down a
gonna
little bit.
cook too, so hopefully tomorrow I can get a good design because I don't have to work.
Yeah, I took off tomorrow and Friday, so I've got
Okay.
Wednesday
Yeah.
through Sunday
So maybe if
where
you're
I'm not
alive tomorrow, we can
fucking-
try to work together so that way we can
Ew.
both do things.
Ew. I mean, okay, sure. Yeah,
Yeah. Guy hates me.
this is true.
I mean, like, fair enough.
Yeah. Have you seen this motherfucker play Crag? If
Valid.
not, then you would hate him too.
No, I'm a great Craig.
Where's that clip? Hold on, I gotta find the clip. Is it on my desktop?
Alright, let's find the clip.
Let's see.
Bro just has it sitting on his desk.
It might be. There's like hella like. There's so much
So
stuff.
I
that
don't
just have,
understand people that can have like 50 different things on their desktop.
Well, because I
I
don't.
had like maybe 3 things, and I accidentally put them there.
Well, because I don't put anything, like, because my desktop doesn't have like a display on it, because I just have it like as my background. My desktop's just another folder for me.
Oh yeah, it's fair. Now, like my old music teacher, his entire desktop would just be covered in like shortcuts, and it's like, how do you live? It's like, what? How do you do that?
Where the fuck is this?
Slug cat.
Was this really not just on my desktop? I'm like kind of surprised. What was the name of the file, JW? Do you remember?
Nope.
Man.
Probably Craig something.
Probably Crag something, yeah. Maybe it's in my like edits folder or like in my memes folder. Where are you? Man, I don't know where to find this. I'm sad now. It's a funny clip that I wanted to show people.
Did you like send it to me ever?
I don't think so. I've got like one more place I'm gonna check. Oh, cool. Opening up this drive just froze my entire computer. Kind of tough, yeah. Well. Yeah, don't. Oh, here it is. Found it.
Let's go.
This is why I hate JW. This is why I hate him so much. Context. JW and I are on the same team. We are both red. Nacitos is blue. So he hits me with a move. You know, whatever. Annoying. And then he picks up his fucking rock. Waits for me to get up, and then he fucking launches it at me. I don't know. I still don't know why you did this. You picked it up, you thought about it, and then you were like, yeah, I'm going to throw it now. You just sat and you stared at me.
Funny.
You stared at me. Like, why did you do that?
You wanna play Rivals?
Maybe. All right. But yeah, we'll be back on Thursday, probably. I'll be back.
Maybe Thursday.
Likely on Thursday.
I might
on
be.
Great Mish.
We'll see.
But yeah. Comedic timing.
Not-
Yeah, no, he just fucking held the rock and threw it at me. Whatever. It's fine. Anyways.
Merry Christmas to everybody.
Yeah, Merry Christmas for everybody. If I'm not here, if he's not here, whatever. But likely be back on Thursday. But thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for wish listing and leaving comments or giving feedback or telling us that you
you're
hate
doing
us.
all of those.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
have to do
especially
all of
that one.
those. But yeah.
You have to.
Goodbye.